She was a Zionist. She saved her money, and she always wanted to go to Palestine to be a chalutza. And as soon as she got her naturalization papers, following month she left for Palestine. She went to visit her friend from Europe who was living with her brother, which turned out to be, was going to be my father. And they met and married in Palestine. And except the fact that she got ill, and Hadassah was not well equipped in the 20s, early 20s, they told her to go back to the United States for better care. Otherwise, I might have been at Sabra, not giving this interview.